Magic, magic! Hello kids, today our all letters are going inside this pot and we will see what will come out. Let's start. First, A will go inside this magic pot. Now we will see what will come out. Wait. Wow, beautiful aeroplane. An aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Now B will go inside this magic pot and now we will see what will come out. Wow, there is something. A ball, a magic ball. See how beautiful this ball is. Now, C will go inside the magic pot and we will see what will come out. Wow kids, a cake, a magic cake. Now D will go next. Magic. A dog. There is one dog. A dog came out. Wow, D for dog. Now E will go inside the magic pot and we are going to see what will come out. An elf. Wow, elf. Now F is going inside the magic pot and we are going to see what will come out. Fish. F for fish. Now G is going inside the magic pot and what will come out? It's a surprise kids. Giraffe. Wow, do you like the giraffe? Now H is going inside the magic pot and we are going to see what will come out. A hen. H for hen. Now I is going inside this magic pot and we will see what will come out. Shake. Ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Now J for what is coming out kids? J for jug. Now K. I think a kettle is coming out. Kettle. K for kettle. L is going inside the magic pot. And magic is happening. Wow! L for lemon. L for lemon. Now M for mango. Do you like mango kids? Mango. M for mango. N for N for nine. N for nine. Now O. Magic. O for oven. O for oven. After O, P. P for parrot. P for parrot. This is a beautiful parrot. Now Q. Magic. Q for queen. Q for queen. R is going inside and we will see what will come out. What are you? Rabbit. It is a rabbit. Now S. S for scooter. S for scooter. How cute is scooter. Wow kids. Now T. T for truck. T for truck. U. U for unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is going inside this magic pot. V is for van. V is for van. Now W. Magic. W is for watch. This is a cloth watch. Now X is for xylophone. Wow, xylophone. Now Y. Y is for yellow. This is a yellow duck. Z. Z is for zero. Magic. Bye kids. Please like and subscribe.